you go, there you go. Hey, y'all got these things right, boy. Yes, sir. LF power, baby. I'm satisfied, you too, you too. Y'all like this, bro? Nice deal, bro. Today, YouTube, we're gonna look at some nice, clean, old school cars. Convertibles, YouTube. But before we take a look at them old school convertible cars, if you like learning how to work on old school cars, if you like learning how to do LS3 swaps, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not. Go ahead and turn your notification bell on. Let's become Chevy's R Us Family. We ain't gotta pay people a whole bunch of money to do this kind of work. Lock in with Chevy's R Us and let's do it together, YouTube. YouTube. This your boy, Tone, coming back at y'all. One more again, YouTube, with another great video on Chevy's R Us, man. Y'all know what time it is, man. We out here in the garage, but we ain't gonna do no work on the 72 convertible Impala LS3 swap. What we gonna do today, YouTube, we gonna look at some nice, clean, old school car convertibles, YouTube. Before we take a look at them old school convertible cars, if you like learning how to do LS3 swaps, hey, let me show y'all real quick, man. This is my first LS3 swap. You know, if I could do it, I know you could do it. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you have not, so we don't have to pay people to do stuff like this. We ain't gotta pay people a whole bunch of money to do this kind of work. Let's stick together, man. Lock in with Chevy's R Us and let's do it together, YouTube. I'm here for you. And guess what? We gonna make this happen, YouTube. Go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and turn your notification bell on. That way you get the videos when we post them. Go ahead and drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm locked in with Chevy's R Us, Tone. Let's become family, man. Chevy's R Us Family. But anyway, this past weekend, the 72 convertible, I had him out at his first car gathering. Man, I just want to give a shout out to the people out there, man, at Gwinnett County, man, food truck festival, car and bike show, man. Hey, man, people showed the 72 so much love in the condition that it's in right now. And it was just amazing out there, man. It was also a heartfelt moment too. Yeah, it was a heartfelt moment. Almost cried. But let me stop getting too sensitive on y'all. My family, my wife, my sister-in-law, all my brothers, man, my partners, man, Zoe, Mike, Goldie, all my partners, man, my peoples. Everybody was there, man, and they showed so much love. Everybody was team Chevy's R Us. And you know, that was real special to me, man. That was, man, that touched a spot in my heart, man. And so it was just really awesome, really amazing, man. I'm looking forward to some amazing, great times with the Chevy's R Us family. I'm just here to tell you, man, it was awesome. I appreciate that. But anyway, YouTube, and I got a video coming up of all the good footage of that we got out there coming up later. But right now, YouTube, let's take a look at these clean, old school convertible cars. Y'all ready? Let's go. There you go, there you go. Hey, boy, that thing nice, ain't it? Ooh-wee. Man, that sucker is clean, bro. This sucker is super clean. 65. GTO Convertible. Man, this sucker nice, boy.
You already peeked the cut down, Tony?
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Absolutely.
Got a little bit you know what I'm saying? Yeah. It ain't what you got.
Yeah, it's real clean. I told him that the first time I met him, man. He popped the hood. I said, "Whoa, wow, clean, bro." Yeah, that's it. That's what I'm talking how I do it. 65. GTO Convertible, 72 Convertible, 1970 Convertible. All right, baby boy, stay right there by the car. Yeah, look at him, YouTube. Look at him. Okay, look at him. YouTube, y'all see him, man. Guess what, YouTube?